In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect meta ads to Klaviyo in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to streamline your marketing efforts, connecting these two powerful platforms can make a world of difference by allowing you to seamlessly synchronize data between your meta ads and Klaviyo accounts. This integration helps you better target your audience, ensuring that your advertisements reach the right people at the right time. So let's dive into the steps you need to take. First, you'll want to log in to your Klaviyo account. This requires your existing credentials for access. Make yourself comfortable as we navigate this easy process. Once logged in, look for the Integrations tab, which is conveniently located in the main menu. It acts as your gateway to connecting Klaviyo to various platforms, with meta ads being one of them. With the Integrations section open, scroll through the available options until you find meta ads. It's essential to ensure that you select the correct option, as this is the integration that will link your advertising efforts to Klaviyo. Once you've located meta ads, click on it to proceed. Now, you'll see an Install button. Clicking this will initiate the setup process. At this point, Klaviyo will guide you through a series of prompts to continue the integration. It's a straightforward step, so just follow along to install the meta ads integration with Klaviyo smoothly. Next, you need to connect to your Meta Ads account. When prompted, click Connect to Meta Ads. This action will direct you to log into your Meta business account, which encompasses Facebook's advertising platform. Enter your username and password for access. This ensures that Klaviyo has the necessary permissions to retrieve data from your Meta account. Once you're logged in, you'll be prompted to choose your specific ad account, business manager, and Facebook page. It is crucial to select the options that align with your business goals and advertising objectives, as these will dictate how your data is organized and utilized within Klaviyo. Take a moment to review your selections carefully to confirm they match your intended setup. Finally, all that's left is to hit the Save button. This step finalizes the connection and saves your configuration settings. And just like that, you've successfully connected your meta ads with Klaviyo. This integration now allows for a seamless flow of information, enhancing your ability to create targeted and effective advertising campaigns. With everything set up, you can now harness the full power of your Klaviyo and meta ads accounts, making your marketing efforts not only more efficient, but also more precise in reaching your audience. Thanks for joining me today, and happy marketing.